Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change birth date Google account. We will open our browser there, click on the profile, and then we will click on Manage your Google account. Now you will go to the section Personal Info. Here in Basic Information, click on Birthday. Now you can make the desired changes to the birthday date. When you do, click on Save. You will see your updated birthday date. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.